Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we will be covering the basics of how to interact with ChatGPT, including how to input text and receive output, how to fine-tune the model to fit your specific needs, and some examples of how ChatGPT can be used in real-world applications. Getting started. To start using ChatGPT, you will first need to access the model through the OpenAI API. Once you have access, you can input text into the model and receive output in the form of text as well. There are a few different ways to do this, including using the OpenAI API directly or using a pre-built wrapper library. The most simple way to get a response from ChatGPT is to input a prompt and then get the model to generate a response. You can set the number of words in the response, the temperature of the response, and the top_p value. The temperature will control the randomness of the response, and the top_p value controls the percentage of the response that is generated from the most likely tokens. Fine-tuning. While ChatGPT is a powerful model, it may not always produce the desired output for your specific use case. In these cases, it may be necessary to fine-tune the model. Fine-tuning is the process of training the model on a specific dataset to make it more accurate for a particular task. To fine-tune the model, you will need to have a dataset of input-output pairs that you want the model to learn from. You will then use this dataset to train the model and update its weights. It's important to note that fine-tuning can take a significant amount of time and computational resources, so it may not be feasible for all use cases. However, if you have a specific task that you want ChatGPT to perform, fine-tuning can be a very effective way to improve its performance. Real-world applications. ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications in different fields. Some examples include chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create natural language conversational agents that can understand and respond to user input. This can be used in customer service, e-commerce, or other applications where users need to interact with a system using natural language. Text completion. ChatGPT can be used to generate text based on a given prompt. This can be used in text editors, word processors, or other applications where users need help completing a sentence or paragraph. Language translation. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for language translation by training it on a dataset of translated sentences. This can be used to generate translations from one language to another. Language generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate text in different styles and formats. For example, it can generate stories, poetry, news articles, or even code. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be used for a wide range of natural language processing tasks. It can be used as is or fine-tuned to fit specific needs. With its ability to understand and respond to natural language input, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. As the technology continues to improve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of ChatGPT in the future. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding the basics of how to use ChatGPT. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks.